living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hello, good morning. Time check. It just turned 7 a.m. Today's the day. I'm finally seeing Kay. I'm meeting her in Chicago, so I'm flying in a couple of hours. Well, I'm trying my best. I don't think I can wait anymore. But yeah, definitely it's gonna be worth the wait. Di ako nakatulog. I think I went to bed at 10, didn't fall asleep until 12, and I woke up at 1 because I had another alarm for 1, and I woke up at around 4:40, and yeah, I've been awake since then. I was just like tossing and turning. So yeah, I'll update you guys, and uh, come with me in Chicago for the weekend. Right? Okay, that took a while. I took my time. Natagalan ako to prepare, but I gotta go soon. So quick fit check. Wait, how do I flip this? Ah, oh, I don't know. I messed it up. But yeah, so just joggers, some hoodie, tapos, I don't know, some Nike shoe. But yeah, I'm kind of nervous at the same time excited because it's been a while since I saw Kay, my girlfriend, and it's gonna be my first time meeting yung mom niya. So yeah, wish me luck. Alright, see you guys soon. So yan guys, we're here na sa Chicago. And yeah, hinintay ko nga si Kay. Two times. It's 1:30 na. And I don't think dadating siya like in an hour, I think. So hintay na lang ako. And I'm just waiting dito sa baggage claim. So yeah, I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time. And also, Peewee just called me. And ako daw magiging MC sa birthday party ni Nova, sa first birthday party niya, December 6th. So I'm excited. And yeah, balitaan nyo kayo guys. It's super cold here. I think I'm underdressed. Ano siya guys? Hello! Moto eh. Ha? Oh.
What's that? Okay.
Yee!
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
dito in Manila pa. December 27 man, 7 p.m. Yun lang tingali ko mag Manila, December 26.
Chicago suburbs guys.
At the next light, turn left. Idagat? Wala po ba? Okay na ba ya? Okay na ga ang pag
Alay na ni sa Texas guys. Actually naa pero dili kayo. Ang shopping sa Fabletics na scrubs. And her size is out of stock.
Still want to get the bottoms, just get the bottoms, or wait until they both restock. It is a popular color, you know, so
Nice yung tela. Oh yeah, I don't wear scrubs. It's sad.
it's very similar to that.
Alright guys. Shopping na po siya sa Uniqlo. Budol na po. Yeah.
Hindi ko malatong Japan.
I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best to not buy anything here. Okay, mas cheap sa Japan. Pero
Pizza na ko ni.
yeah, magkainiklo na mi sa Texas, babe, sa Austin.
Ay po, sa Dublin, magkanya sila.
Di ay? Nice. Alright, on to the next store. Ah, pizza ka? Sa gawas ako mag-wait?
Fit.
Gawas ako? Ay, pakita ko yung cousins. Sige. Ah. Alright, gawas ta. So, namin sa Momo's Cafe. Next. Oh, which one? Which order? Oh, can you substitute? Yeah, it's our order, guys. So, nahutlan sila og tapioca. So, I'm Batman. Ano si Omar and then si Nolan. Kasi ni Kaye. First degree ba mo? First degree. Hi guys. I got a record yesterday. I didn't do any room tour. Because I'm the mayor and there's another person in the other room. It's a house and yeah, it's a shared space. So I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, here's the room tour. Yeah, there's some here. There's a door. It's a tiny little room, but yeah, it's good enough. There's two beds there. I can use either one of them. But yeah, I'm using the other one. It's kind of messy, but yeah, basically this is it. I'll see you guys soon. I have to pick up the rental car because I'm going to be driving the whole day for everyone. Alright, ciao. See ya. What is up, guys? Good morning. I am still in Chicago. But yeah, I'm about to return the rental car. And yeah, yesterday hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi yeah, we're spending time with Kaye's family and I don't want to, disrupt the vibe. And yeah, it was pretty fun. I have some videos though. I'll get it from the family, her family. So yeah, it was very fun. We went to Wisconsin. I drove the whole time. It was very tiring but worth it. Yeah, I had so much fun. Maybe people like to talk and I do like to talk too. I got to sing and tapos ang sarap ng food. But yeah, I'll show you guys some uh they're yeah, I was gonna play the clips anyways. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Today it's just gonna be mass, and then me and Kay are gonna have our little thing. We're gonna go out and go to downtown Chicago. Tapos, yeah, it's gonna be my second time around in downtown Chicago, but in a better light. The weather's perfect, and it's Kay's first time, so it's gonna be fun. And yeah, kita-kits mamaya. Ciao. It's gonna be, and then Bill came, they played for me. And I'm like, oh, just stay here. Lingit-lingit na, bantay ko. Right? Sige. Yeah. No, see what I did there? Easy.
And you want some water? I got some water for you. Water or?
Food looks good. Guys, this is the food. Looks so good. Like pancit. And then this fish. What is this fish?
I think it's
It's squid.
Long life.
Bok choy. Pancit for long life.
Yes.
Oh, here, come on. Oh. And then rice, and then some Mongolian beef.
So, manang no.
stick oh.
Yes.
We have halo guys. Thank you, tita.
Oh, okay.
Look.
Yes. Okay, everybody got it?
Oh, sorry. Taking a picture.
Okay.
Yay.
Yeah. Okay.
Look, it's halo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Halo na chili day.
Yes. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to us. It'll take a picture too. All right, one. All right, what? Say cheese. Cheese. All right, that's the name.
Nagbalot.
Funny. Alright, that's funny. Alright.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ikaw picture name.
Hi guys, we're at Melt and Dip. It's like a Middle Eastern dessert spot here in Rockport. Look at that. Grabe ang pistachio. Wow.
Pouch. Kanang sa kilig. Ano siyang pouch?
Wow.
Dapat lang siyang tanganan.
Yeah. I think it's the plate. Ato na yung padaplin. Wow.
Ano siyang number 57? Ano siyang
That massive. Guys, this shit is the bomb. It's like takoyaki, pistachio eclair. So if you have one exposed in your mouth, it's legit.
Galing oh.
I'm not. It's not. I thought it was like super sweet, but it's not really. Look, it literally exposed in your mouth.
Ay, kanina ako yung mong slice.
Oh. Grabe. Grabe ba? I think that's too sweet though. The other one. I got the ice cream. Pistachio ice cream. Oh, may ano ice cream. May ano
Ano sa Ireland, di ba? Ice cream nila.
Ako sa Ginos, di ba lamig?
Genus ba ta?
Plus. First at the
Di ka lamian sa Murphy's?
Ano ba?
Genus ang gelato, mong good. Mas lamihan ko gelato, good. Grabe ang ice cream dito ba sa gelato. As in, ma-feel yun mo na prutas, good na prutas pa.
Ano ba? Dili gatas.
Dili puno gatas. Oh. Ay kay lahi mo, di ba kay ice cream kay mas daghan siya gatas kaysa actual na flavor. Ang gelato kay more on ano ba siya, di ba? Like more on the flavor gid. Ni uy,
May gustong kaki. Hindi may tawag gelato ni kaki.
dire gelato.
Wala pa kanin sa coffee.
Yung baka sa kaki dito sa Cebu.
Kinsa yung kaking?
So,
Mayroon.
niya. Ano niya?
Model sa Barbie.
Model sa Barbie. Babae ni laki.
Babae.
Oh. Sabi na ako, kay gungging kay lalaki man ako kaking masig lalaki pud.
Nice sulod lang.
I'm gonna try this one next time. Oh, ah.
Bread vanilla, matingali sulod, ana?
Oh, thank you. Hindi ka sa tamis, no? Makakaon yung kagdagan ani, hindi ka tamis. Pero winner, gini. Wako na expect.
Diabetic, kan? Saman.
Hindi lang yung bakit tamis. Pakiparat ko.
Sa mong birthday. Uy, imo ka na ba?
Oh.
November 3 man yung birthday.
Ito.
Hindi na ko, mas namin hindi ko na yung chocolate.
May ice cream.
Ah. Ay, dito sa Tumoy. Sa Tumoy. Someone's birthday.
Tawag namin siya ng tupad ko. Ano bata? Awa.
Kamuritsing na siya yung chocolate. Di pa yung siya yung chocolate.
Ah.
Kamuritsing na siya yung
Mas namin na ice cream.
Kato akong internet at ikaw kigamita. Abot man to din eh. Bisag asa man na akong internet. X Infinity at ikaw good.
I think that's enough. So much sweet. Oh yeah. May ako eh.
Hi guys. Yeah, I'm trying to whisper because I'm at a coffee shop. I'm waiting until match starts and it's not until 10:30. But yeah, I'm at a cute coffee shop here at Glenview, Illinois. It's called Glenview Grind. Look. So it's like on the inside. Oh yeah, I'm seated by the window and sobrang lamig sa labas. Yeah, I'm trying to wait. I think I have a good 20 minutes until I start walking because it's only 7 minutes from here. Our Lady of Perpetual Help, I think. I think that's a church. Hold on, let me look. It's right over here. Yeah, Our Lady of Perpetual Help Catholic Church. So it's like a 7-minute walk dito. And look at outside. Grabe, ang ganda ng foliage. Texas isn't like this. Or I mean, in some parts. There's a car, but yeah. Yun. Okay. It's a good part of the town. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my matcha latte. And then I'll update you guys this afternoon. Alright, bye. Oh, I forgot. I have to do the first sip. Tell you guys how it's like. Ah, it's really good. Tastes like matcha. Yeah, I think that the difference with matcha here is that yung na-notice ko, they don't usually add like sugar, or it's not too sweet compared to Japan. Like, to Japan, it's very rich and sweet. Yeah, but I'll finish this. So, see you guys later. Yan guys, I'm walking to the church. Grabe yung foliage. It's super windy and coldy. Coldy. Haha. Cold. But yeah. Yeah, I made a mistake. Di ako nagdala ng gloves. It's so cold. Hopefully it's gonna get warmer later. But yeah, I think it's around 40s right now. It looks wonderful outside, pero sobrang lamig.
Hi!
What's up? Ay, finally. Nakanaog no eh. Yeah. Yeah, originally, kuan man ta to. It was, char Tagalog. Originally, kuan man ta. Kami rin ta ni Kaye mag-explore. Tapos, I accidentally bumped into sa iyang tita and tito. And, yeah, so, yeah. Last change. Last minute plans. Tapos, I'm glad kay giatod mi nila. They brought us here. And yeah, we're at Millennium Park. It's Kaye's first time here. And wait, what? What is this? Oh, there's a map. There's Anderson's Cirillo. Hi, you can't see it. So yeah, we are here. Oh, narang ano. So we are here. Tapos, so we are at the Great Lawn in front of us. It's under construction. This is the bean, I think. Yeah, muna sikat na bean. So if we are here, we need to go here. Ka gusto? Anywhere. Chicago skyline. So we're supposed to go here. To the left. Yeah, left. Yeah. Okay.
Como que este weón quiere dormir,
Ay, ano man eh. It's under construction. No. Oh, it's not even under construction. It's just closed. CP pa ka? CP pa ka? So, mura ni siya guys. Morning bean. Gusto ka picture solo? Ha? Ah. Picture. Ah. Oh yeah, that's basically it. That's the bean. So, ano, alin? That's just it. So muna guys. Alin, maganda ta. Yuck! That's dirty. That's all right. Let's ano ta? Tuyok ta, tuyok. Tuyok ta niya. Suludin ta, sulod. Let's imito kasi mo. Kung it's shiny, magtipok na sila. So, we're just going around, guys. Moro ni babe. Ah, pachoy nila. Tara. And then we're gonna go inside. Screenshot. Thumbnail. Yeah, mura to guys. That was it. Look. The Chicago skyline. Wow. Wow. Sa TikTok. Wow. Anyhow, there's all. Gusto sila asa tama to Walgreens, nearest Walgreens. So mura ni dili mo balik na tatapad sa ila So mura ni atong time. Hindi na ka?
Yeah.
Nunsa ka?
Mag-Nico's Bridge ka?
Hold on. Yeah, na guys, last look. Last look na. Dili na tayo mabalik guys. Tara last look. Tara last look, Sige. Pero, di ba remember last night, katong Portillo?
What's that?
Katong nang gitulo ni Omar yesterday. Katong, remember ka? Yeah. Ani Nolan, niya. Ingon din si Omar na hotdog. Ay, di si Ana si Nolan, hotdog ra daw. Isa siya sa mga ginasuggest. Pwede ito mag-half tato kung gusto ka, pero
Today, na dire?
na daw diri. Kay gi-google man ako na kanang walking distance ra diri tanan. So yeah. Wala gani gi-suggest ang deep dish pizza. Yeah. So many people, guys. But today's wonderful. Yeah. Oh, it's Sunday today. That's
Sunny weather.
yeah. So weather's wonderful too. So with si Lola. Si Lola, guys. Yeah. Picture si Lola. Lahi ra gyud if it's cold, mag-fashionista gyud ang mga people. Or,
Sige, magpud kung warm ang...
well, yeah, I mean, for us, di man ta, fashionista mo ganang tawag na to, anak, kay, dili kita mahilig, wala ba tayo bugnaw. So, dito makita, dress down ba, perminti ang people, di ba? Kung sa Pilipinas. Kung init, dress down. Kung init.
Magdepende mag yun na sa tao, I think.
Dili i-dress down, meaning walay ginasuot ba, less layers.
Okay.
Oo, nya. Kung bugnaw, dress up. Dara, look, the fall weather. Fall weather. Foliage. Aesthetic. Hashtag aesthetic.
Somewhere yung bridge.
Oh, pero naay somewhere, babe, na kanang kuan. Where you see the ice skating ring. Di man siguro? I think it's like right over there. No, we'll see that. Hold on. So, muna siya ang shots. So, we're at Nolan's Bridge. And then Lake Michigan. So, we came from over there, the bean. And then this is the shot. And look, oh. And the skyline. Look. So, people will take pictures here. And okay, we'll take a picture. Chang! Mura na. Guys,
Hormones lang siya, babe.
I know. Sorry siya. Okay, sure.
Oh, at least ka-sorry ko, di ba?
Guys, naway sala. Namakak ko, I lied.
To you, dili sa ako. To you guys.
We're back. We're back at the bean. So, sige kong tawag bean siya, pero people call it bean, pero the real name is actually, it's called Cloud Gate. If you ask me anong Cloud Gate, wala na. Google na ninyo. What is that? Are people... What is that? Is that like a photo op thing? Ano si tae? Color. Look at it. What is this? Is it like a coffin? What is this? Oh. I think it's like it's an ad or something. Si Tito. Lingkod. Cloud Gate. So we need to go past it, did he? On the other side. Yeah. I guess. The bean or the gates, whatever, Cloud Gate. So guys, muna siya past skating rink. Yeah, so when there's like winter time, see that platform over there? Kana siya dira. Muna siya. May muna siya skating rink and people will be like skating around here. You can see like I think it's like mura siya venue place because tanawa for an event. Yeah, I can tell that's like a bar place over there, like a prop-up bar. But this is the Chicago skyline. And yung mga Philippines, there's Jollibee over there, like right over there. But hindi nyo makita. But yeah, we should be proud of ourselves. Oh, I think that's Jollibee. Muna siya. I don't know. But yeah, this is the skyline. Yan guys, last look na talaga sa final look na gid ni. Wala na ako nag-joke, promise. Okay, we're gonna go around the city even more. So, it's not as cold anymore. So, that's.
Sure. Di ba yung mag-shorts ka today?
I'm used to it na. I'm a Chicagoan. Chicagoan. I will renounce my Texan heritage. No, joke. Oh, well. proud Texan over here. Alright guys, just quick stroll. Chang. Oh, my hair is kind of mess. Yeah. Somebody's playing music there. Buskin. You know. Shout out to Kuya.
Wala pa po diha kay ko.
Wait, so nami sa pinakadako na Starbucks? Yeah, in the world, I think. I think. What? Yeah. It's, what is this? I don't know what this is. Hmm. You wanna get coffee first or go around first?
Depende sa kakofe itong gusto.
Hmm. So yeah. Okay. I see.
Kaya every floor na may coffee.
Oh really?
Ako nakita na first floor reserve, tapos second katong something.
Roasters?
Oh. Third floor kay may katong coffee cocktail something.
Gusto ka sa first floor? Muna siya mo usually naman yung legend. Yun muna sila usually ang kuan. Ang lami. I don't know, specialty. Like we can check it out. Muna siya guys. So many people. So reserve. Oh, pwede ni siya diri. Reserve. Muna siya. Nice na siya na coffee diri. I think you can order through there. Unsa? Experience of coffee bar, reserve coffee bar downstairs. So kani unsa man ni diri? Starbucks reserve ka. Oh, so same rang 1 and 2. Or ang 1 ang bar na naay drinks.
I don't try drinks dito.
Like drinks na kanang alcohol ba? Kay bar man so good. Ay, experiential?
Like cocktail.
So nata sa cafe. Unsa man order na ka coffee diri or check out sa nata tabs? Check out sa nata. Sige, sige. Da, gi.
Wala.
Nag-PDA sila guys. Atubangan na mo. Sa atubangan na mo. Okay, we're on a third floor na mi. So, oh, is this third floor? Yeah. So this is the experiential bar. Third floor na mi.
Experiential.
So ang cocktail bar is on the fourth floor. Check po nimo na to. Yeah. Kasunod mi sa kasunod mi sa couple na PDA kayo.
Sorry guys, not for us.
Look, it's na magnets. Okay. Oh, it's ilang mga specialty coffee. Amo na Philippines. Wine Philippines.
Coffee. Ayaw yun. Kesa gusto.
Bukid nun, sir, nakabutang. Uy, lamig yung bean sa bukid nun. Kabalo ba ka? Si lolo ni Adrian? Ano siya? Nakakuha sa award, babe. Gagrow siya siyang bean sa Caberia. Pangutanay mong dad. Kung naba siya kay Ila Del Ferro. Nag-grow farmer na siya farm sa Claveria. Nag-grow siya beans. Nakadaog siya award. International na award pag yun. So this is what it looks like, guys. The experiential bar. So the fourth floor, they serve They serve all these pumpkin spice cocktail, fly, espresso, martini. Yeah, I'm not in the mood for alcohol. But dude, grabe guys, $18.
Matcha margarita.
Matcha margarita, $18. That's $20 for a drink. Holy crapper. Mm. Damn, Aperol spritz for $14. Yeah. Alright,
Going down.
we're going down. Yeah, I think the more you go up, the more it gets expensive. Yeah. Yeah. We're not cut for that. No, I'm just like not in the mood for drinking. We're going down. That's my body. Kiss me on the floor. I ordered a drink. I'm gonna go down.
Tato ni Ruri, pero barato lang sa bulang pancits na may bayad na $5. Kaya ba sa above 20 ang pants? Libre, pero kung
Less than.
15 ra, dito to bayad.
Nagbayad ka extra para lang man. Okay, makes sense. Na guys. Grumpy pa si Kaye. Wala pa siya coffee.
Hoy, dili yun.
Nami sa what is called Magnificent Mile, Chicago. So basically, this is like a long ass stretch of a couple blocks and may mga fancy shops daw dira. Pop Mart, Labubu. Oh, Labubu is supposed to be there, but yeah, I don't care for Labubu. Dira ang Panavy Pier, babe. Panavy Pier, dira kanang go down ka dira. Yeah, makeup. Check ang makeup. Nordstrom. So, tana dira. Tana dira. In the shopping. Nordstrom, guys. Kasulad na si. First time niyo sa Nordstrom? Ay, nakasulad ta. Wala. Neiman Marcos to. Ay.
Ay, katungkuan.
It's MSNBC, guys. Oh, we went to 4 times. Yeah. And Plaza of the Americas is the Angel Wing. People are taking pictures of there. Diya ka, Bebo. Gamay kayo ang wings. Mura na siya pako. There you go. Wow. Here, I'm gonna take a picture of you. Alright guys, the famous Angel Wings. Yeah, what's up? The line's not bad actually. And we're gonna have so many pizza, deep dish pizza, famous Lumalnari's review ta soon. And I don't know who that is. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's go to MSNBC. Right, how's Chicago so far? Eh? Sorry. Shit. Romantic. Okay ra? Let's cross over there. Yeah, check out the river there first or later na? Okay. Nice kaya no? And guys, the sun hits the building. And guys, it's so pretty. Look, na yung Museum of Ice Cream, babe. Napo na sa Austin. No? Museum of Ice Cream. Napo na sa Austin. Oh, gamay na kayo. Kasi, ambot, amo ka kay dako kayo. Naka, babe. Oh, Chicago booth, oh.
famous business school. Tara. Travel booth. One of the top business schools. Tara, tara. But it's not my dream school. Hope. Yan guys, grabe oh. Sa kanila, ang hope dito, ano? Tourist spot. Sa atin, hope, sigarilyo, di ba? Grabe. Joke lang. Have hope.
Pwede na, oh. Practice ko sa una. Naginan ko na siya. Pati kayo. Wala na din kong ganahin ko.
Di. Motivation to. Ay, di kong bati. Better. Mayon ka. Unsaon di ay. Oh. Look at that, guys. Oh. So beautiful. Ano?
Diba mo yung newspaper?
Chicago Tribune. Newspaper. Chicago Tribune building. Then there's MSNBC.
Masarap eh.
MSNBC.
Ano itong ikuwanan nila? Katong, ano to si Da?
BBC. Sa Atlanta to BBC.
Okay.
BBC is ano man na siya sa Europe. London, UK. Yeah.
Tapos na to dito patro.
Museum of Ice Cream. Portillo's. Portillo's. Same sa ice cream. Mangita ta. Blue Bottle Coffee. Gusto ko na. Mag-try lang kita. Tara guys, Chicago booth. University of Chicago Booth School of Business. Oh, that's perfect. Paklay na tayo. Yagyo na tayo na. Wala lang merch, guys. But I don't like the color. University of Chicago. Babe, pangita na ka, babe. Yeah. Kira ka? Oh, kikatulgon. Hindi ka mag-coffee. Boba, sige, di mo. Gusto ko makasulod to school. University of Chicago. And in river. Looks really clear. It's green. So during St. Patrick's Day, they would like pour green dye in the river para mahimo siyang green. Yeah. Nice guy. Riverwalk downstairs. Unya ta mag riverwalk? 30 minutes man to, di ba? Text naman to sila.
Ano na lang, igato na to.
Yeah. And the background. Ability. Oh, sorry. You okay? Picture ka diya?
Pwede rin.
Nice, yeah. Apple Store, guys, in Chicago. It looks so cool. This view. Straight to the river. Wow. Social islands.
So go inside.
You wanna go inside? Alright guys, we went in the iPhone, the iStore. This is the 17. Ito yung the iPhone Air. It's so thin. Grabe. And 17 Pro in the orange. I don't know. What do you guys think? You like the color? It's orange. This is the 17 Pro Max blue. I like this better. Mas gusto ko to. It's kind of weird though kasi the logo is like at the bottom. Yeah, this is what I have. I think I like this better. Yeah. But the air actually feels good in the hands, but parang it's so light too. And it's just weird though. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And she's over there trying to like use the iPad. Which one is this? iPhone Air? iPad lang na regular? Oh, regular lang. It's a Muna iPad Air, babe. Yes, the new one. The iPad Pro 11. It's as expensive as a MacBook. The mini best iPad ever. Yes, sir. You want this size? 11-inch. Here's what it looks like from the inside. Look at the view. Wow. Can you imagine working here? And this is your view? Every day. Yeah, we can go up here. Hi guys. We're having boba here at Tiamo. It's by Magnificent Mile here in Chicago. Tapos, yeah, they gave us a free mochi donut. We bought this drink, it's black sesame ube. Looks so good and cute. Look. Oh, sorry. And the cup's pretty good, cute. Weird, no? But yeah, it's actual can. Yeah. Try.
Okay. Wrong din pag
Try.
Go.
Yeah, okay, go. Oh. Where's the trash at? Oh, yan lang? Fancy. Wala na to gishake.
Dili try sa. Para makoni mo.
Kung ubi.
Wala na try ang black sesame.
Ay,
Black sesame pa
naman sa top good.
Ah. Dili.
Tabang. Black sesame. Lami yung ube. Lami yung ube, no? Lami yung ube. Rate out of 10.
8.5.
Ang sama ng 10. Ube yun na ube.
Nag-delete.
Sige, mochi nut. Dapat 10 na ha, kaya wala ka nag-tip. Guys, wala may nag-tip. Wala may nag-tip, guys. Pila? It's a mochi nut. How much? 9 out of 5?
10 na lang.
10 ki libre. Libre. Is it good? May check ba? Okay. Libre man. Is it good? What time is it? You have 10 minutes. It's good. So guys, mag-ano na mi? River cruise. So, that's what it looks like. I don't know if this is it though. I don't know if this is the same company, but oy, bantog ti ay naipasayo ta nila babe para nay sa tong lingkuran daghan man day kitao. It's like, man, so many people. Yeah guys, they're gonna check our bags. Oh, this is good. Oh. So guys, you have to be early, like 30 minutes early kasi maupusan kayo ng upuan. But yeah, So basically, you're gonna stay on top of here and yeah. Looks like you wanna sit here? Or you wanna sit here? Ah, look at that. Skyline Chicago.
Gathering organization, you can say it with me. The International Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat.
Guys,
Prominent
it's so
non-negative
amazing.
fires count for the height of buildings.
Chicago skyline
Okay,
sunset.
now moving along, ahead to the right, that dark steel rectangular tower. The dark steel tower on the right is AMA Plaza, headquarters of the American Medical Association. It's from 1973 by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Now, Mies van der Rohe was a pioneer of that. From grocery store, movie theater, bowling alley, skating rink, marina on the river, and those parking ramps above. And folks, having seen those parking ramps, you might have gotten nervous.
Wow.
Imagining cars falling right off and into the river. But there's no need to worry, that's only happened twice. That's true. But both times were film stunts. Once was for Steve McQueen's movie The Hunter, and the other was for an auto insurance commercial. Now, moving along, folks, after the next bridge, school style. Chicago school style is defined by being an early example of using load-bearing internal steel framing. You see, the brick on this building is just decorative. It's the steel inside that holds the building up. And that concept of using load-bearing internal steel, which is fundamental to modern architecture, was first developed here in Chicago, primarily by architect William LeBaron Jennings. The first skyscraper.
Wow. Do not stand gun.
Norman Foster, he was the first British architect ever built here in Chicago. Now the Apple Store, the little glass building, actually the glass walls are load bearing. They hold up the ceiling there, and each the glass walls are of course 5 panes thick with vacuums between each pane as an attempt to insulate them against our weather here in Chicago. I'm sure that they're heating and cooling bills. That's still exciting. Now, in addition, the Magnificent Mile Apple Store here in Chicago, Illinois, is actually the best Apple store in the world at which to buy an iPhone and immediately drop it in the river.
Yes.
Now, after the next bridge up to the
Guys, nahuman na among...
So cold.
It was so cold. But yeah, highly recommend if you're ever in Chicago. Okay. But among i-suggest, okay, worth it siya because you get to know, you get to see some beautiful sights like the buildings and stuff. But also they tell a bit of the history. I don't know, but I think for me and Kaye, I know 45 minutes is enough, diba? Because they have a 45-minute, and then the 90-minute one. And it was worth it. Also, highly recommend go to Groupon, download the Groupon app or the website, get your stuff there because it's 50% off. It's usually like $40, but it's like $28 per piece. So we only paid $56 for two. And ano pa? Sunset, yeah. Pick a time like around sunset. So we picked the 6 o'clock one. It was just perfect. Yeah, because you get to see sunset at the same time, sun going down and the buildings start light up. Yeah. Talk to you guys later. And guys, this is Chicago at night, and it's not as cold right now. I don't want to jinx it.
Buhay mo jacket,
No way. Yeah, we're crossing the bridge now. America, baby. It's beautiful at night. Look at that. Yeah, we're heading to Chicago Theater. But, yeah, it's amazing. Wow. Wow. I think that's their flag. Oh, sorry. And guys, it's Chicago Theater. It's famous Chicago Theater. Di ako pa-picture ang people. Ano na? Mana may picture. So yeah, basically it. Tang! Bookmark. Ay, what to? Ito ka na. Ito ka na. Thumbnail! Thumbnail. Chang. Or, thumbnail. Ting. Oh yeah, so we're gonna head to Portillo's to get some hot dogs. Oh yeah, I'll see you guys later. Final meal in Chicago, guys. Minghin House. It's my staples. Nara, Minghin House. That's what the inside looks like. Round table. Legit siya, legit. Hey guys, we got a pork shumai and a pork bun so far. We got a bunch of food. It's coming. And we got broccoli. It's so good. Garlic Chinese broccoli.
Sa lahog, day.
Hey guys, fortune. Your authenticity is your greatest strength. Busog na, busog. Digid mo wala ang picture. O picture ang ano. Very common. Ganito guys pag ano, family. It's always someone taking a picture. Ay! Nag-vlog ko dito! Okay. Bye-bye! See you when I see you! See you Chicago! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Hi guys, dari ka namin. Let's just find Southwest dito ta. Alright, fly namin. Babe.